Well, here she is. My goal for this year was to address the cosmetics of the outside of the ski boot. 1976 ski boot. The paint scheme is not ski boot paint scheme. It's what I wanted. I wanted it to look like a real boat, not a toy boat. So I kind of picked on Hinckley as the color pattern and style that I wanted. And I really didn't need the bottom paint because it's in fresh water, but I wanted it to look like a real boat. And I used Alex Seal and watched a bunch of videos and learned as I went. So the transom is what I did last, and it turned out the best because I had figured a lot of things out. So the order of the paint should have been white first without masking, and then blue with a mask over where the white stripe should be, and finally the bottom coat. And she turned out looking really nice. I love it. Today we're gonna launch her. She's gonna go in the water for the first time in her new paint scheme. We gotta go swimming. It's supposed to be up near 90 today, even up here in the mountains. So that's the whole story. Next on the list is the inside of the boat, and I'll do a bunch of fairing of that, getting it ready for gel coat, and then give it to somebody to gel coat. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye.